Let us understand what is Clemmensen reduction. Okay, actually Clemmensen reduction is nothing but it is a reduction using zinc amalgam and HCl. Actually, we are converting a carbonyl compound into hydrocarbon. Okay, actually just converting the CO group into CH2 group, right? This okay. Let us understand the mechanism. Here, a carbonyl compound, we just here we are taking ketone. In the first step, we are just protonate the oxygen atom. Okay. Here the proton is supplied from the mineral acid, that is HCl. Okay. A resonance structure. Actually, the shifting of double bond is here. Then it will become like this, like the second structure. We are getting a positive charge on the carbon atom. Then a pair of electron is supplied from the zinc metal. Okay. By getting the electron, by getting two electrons, the negative charge of carbon atom, positive charge on the carbon atom become negative. Okay. Then the protonation is taking place. Here the protonation, if here the proton or hydrogen is added, then okay, the protonation here. Then again we use a proton. Okay. Then it will become water molecule, or here the elimination of water molecule is happening. Okay. Then it will become after elimination, the carbonyl carbon become positive. Okay. Then again 2 electrons is added. Then it will become negative. Okay. Finally, the protonation is happening. Then finally it becomes hydrocarbon. Then okay, in this reaction, mineral acids supply proton to the oxygen, whereas the zinc is supplied electron pair to the carbonyl carbon. Then and form carbanion. Then elimination taking place, and addition of proton taking place. Finally, we get the hydrocarbon. Hope you understand the concept. Or mechanism. Let us understand some examples. You don't worry about the rest of the structures. Just you concentrate on the carbonyl group. Here we are just converting the carbonyl groups into CH2 groups. Simple one. Here also, in the second example, we have a carbonyl group here. Just add 2 hydrogen. It will become CH2 group, right? Here in the coming third example, or we have a carbonyl group here. Just add 2 hydrogen. It will become CH3, right? This is the concept of Clemmensen reduction. Thank you. Hope you understand the concept. Bye. By adding the